little bit of time, so. Table help, you can really help us out and get those mount sheets up here as quick as possible. Do not hold on to them, get them up here. Mortimer, champions, mat 13, immediately. Asking all table help matches, your mat might slow down or stop for a minute temporarily. Do not take off. Do not go too far. So I'm trying to get these results inputted. We're down to the last few matches in each wave. We got to wait for the results to come in. Right after the match is done. Get them up here, please, to the main table. Get the next round printed off.
Billy, come on, Billy. Come on, Billy, you got it.